Hi friends, welcome back. I know I've been offline for weeks now. I have lots of orders, so I've been working on it. So here I've been teaching on how to crochet this simple design. So I've already taught on this part. So check other videos. Some of my videos I've already taught how to make this back design many times. So here I'll be teaching just this front design, how I created this. Yeah, I will be working with size 40. That's it. So I've already taken my measurement from the first leg. Yeah, you make your knot. Then you work 24 chains. 24 chains from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you work 24 chains. Yeah, you can see it. Then you fix by slip knit. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you're done, you skip the two stitches, 1, 2. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. So you know I started with 24 chains, but some 40 size 40, I do start with 26 chain or 25 chain. So those chains depends on the size of the person's leg. So I prefer using measuring tape. So once you want to crochet for anybody, you use measuring tape to measure the person's leg. You can see it. So at the end of first row, you single crochet on the first and second stitch of the sew. That's it. First and second stitch. Single crochet on the second stitch. You single crochet. Then you turn. Then for the second row, you skip one stitch. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. The next stitch, single crochet. So at the end of second row, you single crochet on the first and second stitch on the sew. You turn, skip one stitch to continue with the third row. So continue working with that. You work 5 rows of single crochet. 5 rows. This is what you will have at the end. So at the end, you single crochet on the first and second stitch on the sew. You can see it. 1, 2. Then you turn. So to start the 6th row, so you single crochet on the stitches, continue single crochet until it remains 10 stitch this side. Single crochet on these stitches until it remains 10 stitches this side. You skip one on the next stitch, continue single crocheting. Yeah, you can see it. Once it remains 10 stitches, then you work 11 chains. 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 11 chain. Then you fix here. Slip knit. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. So once you're done, you skip the 2 stitches, the slip knit and the single crochet. Then on the next stitch, single crochet on the 11 chains you made. Yeah, continue working to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So this is the first row for this second belt now. So for to start the second row, you single crochet on 2 stitches here, then turn, skip one stitch like we did here. You skip one stitch, work 5 rows of single crochet. We've done on one, so you work more 4 rows, making it 5 rows. Yeah, you can see it. Then for the last belt, the same thing we did on this second belt. Then crochet until it remains 13 stitches. You crochet on these stitches until it remains 13 stitches this side. Then you make 14 chains like we did here. 14 chains. You remember we had 10 stitches, then we made 11 chains. Then we leave 13 stitches and make 14 chains. After that, you work 5 rows of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it.